Hello class, this is Professor Kamen, and this is your introduction video for the submodule Manufacturing Processes in Hot Working. And so you can find this particular module under week 2 and 3, April 20th through May 4th. We've done manufacturing processes casting, and then you continue to go down to manufacturing processes hot working, and that's where you can find this. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to view the introduction video, which is what you're doing right now, so good job. Then the next thing is to view the hot working presentation video and answer the assessment questions that are embedded in the video. Remember, as you view this video, which you can find right here, understand that you can take the assessment questions as many times as you want to. They are a quiz grade, and you can take them as many times as you want to get the grade that you want. Now, the next step you want to do is you want to complete the Hot Working Online crossword and submit it into the Dropbox. First of all, let me show you that here's the Dropbox in which you want to submit that crossword puzzle. But there are several ways in which you can do that. The first way is you can actually click on the online crossword puzzle and you can fill in the interactive online crossword puzzle. So once you click on that link, you can see here is the interactive online crossword puzzle. You can actually type in the answers that you have here, and if your answer is correct, it will actually show green. So you can see if you're typing in the correct answers. Here on the side here, you have the clues going across and also going down. Now, what you will do from this point is you will either have to take a snapshot of this or take a picture of it, save it, and then attach it to the Dropbox, okay? But there are other ways in which you can do this as well. I'm going to go back to our site here, a D2L module. And as you can see, I've also posted a PDF. So you can click on this, bring up the PDF. You can print that PDF out. You can write it in if you want to, and then take a picture of it or scan it in and of course attach that to this Dropbox. Another way that you can do it finally is you can just attach a Word document with the answers to the across clues and to the down clues. So that works as well. After you finish your crossword puzzle, go ahead and watch the videos in the Hot Working Videos submodule. These videos include a really good explanation of recrystallization and what happens in that process, which is very important to hot working, and later on to cold working, which is the next process that we'll be talking about. These two videos here about drop hammer forging and about die forging are videos that I started within the presentation but did not complete because of their length. They're not extremely long, just a little longer than I thought should be included in the presentation. So go ahead and view these videos, a lot of good information in them. And then the final video is more for just pleasure and at your leisure. It talks about how a katana blade is forged, which I thought was pretty cool. And so if you have any questions, you can always just email me. And thank you very much.